The weather situation here in Atimonan, Quezon has gotten worse. We've been getting these thick, blinding rains since midnight. The wind is just pushing everything into that direction. It's so strong, it feels like it can blow away the roof of our hotel anytime. We have no idea what's happening out there. Communication lines are down. We have no electricity since 3 a.m. and going outside at this time is not advisable, as we have been seeing a lot of falling debris on the road, and it seems like we will only know the extent of damage Typhoon Tisoy caused here in Atimonan, Quezon once the weather situation improves. Reporting from Quezon Province, I'm Caroline Bongkin, CNN Philippines.